So I got this 5-piece kitchen gadget with drawstring bag, and inside of it comes packaged like this. Very cute. This can be a very good gift for kitchen people, or even if you have a small kitchen. Really good gift for traveling, using an RV. You have a baller bag that you can use to store all the utensils that you got. So in the bag also you have a swivel peeler to peel your potatoes. I like how handy it is. I like that it does have this handle that you can use to hang stuff, and it comes with this film just to protect it, but it's amazing. It's a good size for your hand. You also have a pizza slicer. You have in here a grater to grate your cheese and all your other stuff. And lastly, you have a bottle opener. These items are very good quality, very durable. I like that they are cute, very cute. They're good quality. They're not flimsy at all. You can see how strong of a quality it is. I also like that they are stackable, so you can stack them like this. So they are stackable in order to save you space. So the Borland bag is a great gift idea for anyone that likes to travel. I also like this for people going to college. So if you're going to college, this is also a nice gift that you can give anyone. This is an amazing, I got it and I'm giving it to my daughter who is going to college soon. So this is such a great gift and very adorable too.